chef lab here is set up as a professional food production kitchen. Our students execute 2 practicums during their semester here in chef lab. They plan, prepare, cost a menu, and also plan and execute the meal service to invited guests. They, for the most part, come in with maybe no experience in a professional or kitchen of any sort. Practicum 1, we deal with some recipes that we've worked with early in the semester. Salad, soup, sandwich, those types of items. It's a 3-course menu. And as we move into Practicum 2, we get a little bit more detailed with the entree. For the last 5 weeks, we've been cooking proteins. When they start their careers in hospitality, they will be working in teams. They'll have to communicate not only to their superiors, but to guests.
Since I knew that I was going to go into hospitality, I started looking at what different schools offered hospitality. Virginia Tech's hospitality curriculum was a lot more diverse, and it covered many different aspects of hospitality, and that's one thing that really caught my eye. How to budget and then come up with a purchase order and make sure that you're optimizing really all your resources. That's one thing that I will definitely carry with me. I've cooked in my kitchen before, but when you're in a commercial kitchen, especially with a larger number of people, knowing how that whole operation works is definitely something that will help you a lot. One thing I learned that really surprised me was how much more than cooking goes into culinary operations. A lot of team coordination and planning went into making especially the practicums work.
Before the actual day of practicum, a lot of the planning is involved in budgeting, planning out the menu, designing it, designing place cards, designing a table setting, all of the things. And then on the day of, we come in with all of our documents. We kind of have a plan, specifically a time and motion plan, so that everybody knows exactly what they're supposed to be doing when we're executing things. Before this semester, I would have said I hate cooking, literally, but I would say that this has changed that a little bit because of the way that I work with my peers here. Like, this is a very intimate group, specifically within my lab group, and the way that we cooperate and work with each other is different than any other work environment experience I've ever had. I really enjoyed being able to get to know these people so well and being able to work with them every Wednesday. I just love that environment.
Maybe the most important thing that we're actually doing here in the lab is working as a team and communicating. And to see them execute recipes from the start of the semester to the end it's very satisfying as an instructor to see that.